mounting your objects in the 3D scanner. Now, our 3D scanner has a turntable in it, and the turntable spins around. So we have to secure the object so it's not going to flop over. So if you have a tall object, you might have to secure it to the bottom. But what I find that works the best is a little bit of modeling clay. I keep some modeling clay in a sandwich bag, and it's kind of like Play-Doh, right? And I just take a little hunk of this out, and I use it to place it on the bottom of the turntable, kind of like a little suction glue type of effect. So I might take this apple, for example, and I might just put a little bit of that on the bottom of the apple, and then I will set that down right in the middle of the turntable. And it also lifts up the object to get near the bottom areas a little better. And so now that apple isn't going to tip and kilter when the turntable rotates. I find that works really well. You can use other methods to secure it as well. It has some taps in there, so you can put some bolts and things in there and clamp things down. But I find just a little bit of this modeling clay, it's a little like Play-Doh, the children's toy, that works really well for mounting these things down. And so basically, as long as you can get it in there and it does not stick out beyond the build envelope of 8 inches in diameter or 16 inches tall, and it's able to spin around on that turntable without moving, that's what we need to do to mount it. So if it's a very heavy object, which, you know, here I have this pencil sharpener, and I like this pencil sharpener because in my first AutoCAD class, back in the day, was it 1990 or 1991, this is what I drew in my first AutoCAD class, is one of these pencil sharpeners. So you could put that in here, and we could reverse engineer that. It will sit there by itself. It's pretty, it's not top heavy at all, so I wouldn't really need the clay for that. So mounting the object, just make sure it's secure on the bottom turntable.